mark it. Number two. Each. What is the answer? Each what?
Questions carries.
The answer is what?
B.
When we use each, what follows? Singular noun. Plus what? Singular verb. Therefore, the answer is these.
Yes. B.
Each question carries an equal mark. Let's finish before we explain. Number 3. Both. What's the answer here? What's the answer here?
Both. Haven't met. D. Yes.
Both haven't gone. This is correct. Both haven't gone home up till now. They are still here. Number 4.
Have everybody make you happy?
This is wrong.
Does.
Eh?
It's does.
The answer is what? Does.
Does everybody?
Then number 5.
Is A.
The answer is what? The man always comes and
relax.
No, it's not the answer.
B.
The man always comes and relaxes. It's not the answer. And C. The man always came and relaxes. Not the answer. The man always come and relax. Not the answer.
It's
Therefore,
E.
the answer is E.
Yes, I get it.
So now, how many have you scored? How many have you scored?
You said each also carries 2 marks.
It carries each question. Look at it.
Yeah, it
carries.
carries.
Yes, okay. Each question carries 2 marks. So how many have you scored? Let's find out.
4.
4. That is 8, right? Okay. Now let's explain the first one. Why is this one the answer? Yes.
Because from the question, one of my friends means he has at least 4 brothers. No, let me explain it.
Okay, yes.
If this is one of mine, if this brothers is singular, this leaves 2 must be singular.
So if you use another explanation. Another explanation. If I told you, if you use one of what follows? What type of noun follows? What type of noun? When you say one of, what type of noun follows it? What type of noun follows when you say one of? Look at it here now. The noun that follows it is plural. What about the verb? Singular. You're not to go. One, I read it now. Read it.
One of my brothers lives in London.
One of my brothers lives in London. Thank you. That's it. So, yes.
This number 2.
Number 2. Each.
Me, my sister, when I read it, I saw questions. Even was the question. You see, one of the questions among the example that we did last. Yes.
For this one?
No, but
what do you see?
Questions carry. Even my sister that I show you now.
It's not possible. Each.
Let me show you.
Is there of there?
See it here. Right. The example you give us, you write one of the questions, each carry one equal and then ask us to correct it.
That one there is of. The one I gave you, there is what? Of. But there is no of. Just like you say, listen, let me give you an example. When you say one what? One. Is it okay like this? Can you add S here? Can you add S to make it 1 question?
No.
It's not possible, right? Because 1 means 1, right?
Yes.
What do you say? One of. What do we do?
Questions.
Well, we now add what? Question. We add S.
Question.
The same thing, what happens here applies to what? E. each of and only one.
Each.
Each. So each of the questions, each question. Each of and each, right? That's it. So now let's go number 3. Both. You all got this one?
No.
Who framed it?
All of us.
Why?
Except me.
No.
Okay, which one did you? Which one did you choose?
This time I did not understand the question.
You don't understand the question?
Yes.
Both.
I do.
When you use both, do you say has?
No.
What do you use? Have. Why do you use have with both? Why do you use have with both? It is plural. Thank you. Please clap for him. So both is plural that must go with what? A plural verb. I told you the agreement, right? If a singular subject is here, the verb is what? Singular. If the plural subject is here, the verb is plural. Therefore, since both is plural, then the verb has to be what? Plural. Why can't we use this one? Haven't. Because if we use haven't, we don't use what? When. Both haven't gone home up till now. Are we there?
This is the fault of everybody. If you see this question mark, you must understand. Because it's a question. Does everybody make you happy?
No, I can see you have now. Has everybody made you happy? If I change this one now, make to made, then the answer
this one
will
can
change.
be to change. But this one does.
If I change the make to made, the answer here will change. Has everybody made you happy? Does everybody make you happy? So it is the structure that determines the right answer. Are we there? So why don't we do here? Why don't we use do as the option? Choose do as our option as the answer. Why? Who will explain why?
Because do is plural. While does is singular. Everybody has to go with.
Thank everybody has to go with what? Has to go with.
Singular.
Thank you very much. Please clap for her. Thank you. So everybody goes with what? Singular verb. Therefore, this cannot be the answer. This one can't be the answer. You can only use this or this. Are you with me? What can be here is either does or has. But because of the nature of the verb that is here, that's why this is the only option that can be used. The last one. Read it now.
The man always dash and dash under these trees.
So the answer you say is what?
Eat.
Why is this one wrong?
Why is it not?
Comes, relax. Why is this one wrong? This one is correct, right?
Yes.
This one makes the option wrong. Why?
Because
the man always comes. Because it's not what? Singular.
Yes.
For this one to be correct, it must also be what? Singular.
You see, comes is plural, this is plural.
Very good. So the man here is what? Singular. It needs a what? Singular. The man is what?
Singular.
The verb here must also be what?
Singular.
Likewise this one. So singular, singular, singular. The man always comes and relaxes under this tree. So I say, let me hear you.
The man always comes and relaxes under this tree.
Say it again.
The man always comes and relaxes under this tree.
Thank you. So you understand, right? Subject here is singular. It requires a singular verb and a singular verb here. Just like you say, the teacher, when the teacher comes, or when this boy comes, he sits down here. Okay, no. Whenever he comes, he sits here. Whenever he comes, he sits. He, right? Comes and what? Sits. Singular, singular, right? The same thing applies here. The man comes and relaxes. He comes and what? He relaxes. Okay? Are we there? Are we there? What if we change this and to two? Can we have the same thing? The man comes, always comes, To.
Relax.
Can you still use this one?
No.
The answer becomes what?
Eh.
Comes and what?
Relax.
Comes to relax. So you have to start like that. He comes to relax. He comes and relaxes. Are we there? Any question? No problem, right? It's okay.